Hey there. I'm so glad you're taking a few moments for yourself tonight. I'm here to guide you through this sleep meditation designed to help you let go of stress, tension, and anxiety and drift off into a peaceful slumber. Find a comfortable position, either in bed or in a cozy spot, and allow yourself to relax. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Imagine any thoughts or worries from the day floating away like clouds, leaving your mind clear and calm. As you settle in, allow your eyes to softly close and take a moment to become present in your body. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the mattress and the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. You're safe, you're supported, and you're exactly where you need to be. Imagine each thought or concern as a delicate white cloud drifting lazily across the sky. As you inhale, imagine fresh, calming air filling your lungs. And as you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving your body, carried away by the gentle breeze. Watch as each cloud, representing a thought or worry, slowly disappears into the distance, becoming smaller and smaller until it vanishes completely. With each breath, feel your mind clearing, like a gentle rain washing away the dust and debris of the day. Allow yourself to let go of any attachment to these thoughts, any need to worry or analyze them. Simply observe them as they float away, like leaves on a stream, without judgment or resistance. You don't have to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders tonight. You can let go and simply be. As the clouds disappear, imagine the sky filling with a warm, golden light, representative of peace, relaxation, and tranquility. Feel this light spreading throughout your body, soothing any remaining tension or stress, and filling you with a sense of calm and serenity. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more calm, and more at peace. Allow yourself to surrender to the present moment, letting go of any need to control or manipulate your thoughts or emotions. Simply be, and allow the calmness to envelop you. Take 3 deep, cleansing breaths, filling your lungs fully, and then exhaling slowly, releasing any remaining stress or anxiety. Feel the calmness spread through your body like a soothing balm as you continue to breathe deeply. Allow yourself to become more connected to your body. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the sensation of the air on your skin, and the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. You are strong, you are capable, and you are deserving of love and care. Now, imagine any thoughts or concerns from the day flowing through your mind like a gentle stream. Don't try to engage with them or judge them. Simply allow them to pass by, like leaves floating down the river. As you stay present and connected to your breath, you'll begin to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. Remember, everything is unfolding as it should, and you are exactly where you're meant to be. Affirm to yourself, I am ready for peace. I am ready to feel love and relaxation. I am ready to unwind and let go. Trust that your dreams will bring you the guidance and wisdom you seek, and that you will wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. As you connect with your heart, notice how your body responds to these affirmations. Allow any areas of tension to release and feel your body preparing for a restful night's sleep. If you have any intentions for your dreams, now is the time to set them. Ask your dreams to guide you, to bring you wisdom and clarity, and to help you navigate any challenges in your waking life. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up for this meditation and for being open to the possibility of a peaceful night's sleep. Trust that your dreams will bring you the guidance and wisdom you seek, and that you will wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, beautiful. You deserve it. Remember to be kind to yourself, to prioritize your own needs, and to take care of your own heart. You are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough. Sleep peacefully, and may your dreams be sweet.